from 3H. Today we are going to make chatpat chaat. Before making chatpat chaat, make sure that you wash your hands. For this we need chickpeas, carrot grated, tomatoes cut into small pieces, onion cut into small pieces, cucumber cut into small pieces, coriander chopped, green chilies chopped, salt for taste, chaat masala half teaspoon. Mix all together thoroughly.